Hello, Isra.
Hello, Samir.
Where were you?
I was at home.
It has been a long time.
Yes, I missed you.
How are you?
I am fine.
How is your health?
My health is good.
How is your father?
My father is fine.
Where is your father now?
He is at work.
How is your mother?
She is at home.
How is your family?
My family is good.
Are you busy these days?
Yes, I am busy.
Why are you busy?
Because of school.
Do you study daily?
Which class are you in?
I am in 11th class.
That is great.
What about you?
I am also fine.
Where do you live now?
I live near the market.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
Are your parents fine?
Yes, they are fine.
Where is your father?
My father is at home.
Where is your mother?
My mother is at work.
Do you have brothers?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
Do you have sisters?
Yes, I have 1 sister.
I am happy to see you.
I am also happy.
Let's meet again.
Yes, sure.
Goodbye.